The building.
All right, let's go. They're above us. They're above us.
Here. Yeah. Let's just stay down here. Let's stay down here in this room. Got a shield. I got one shield.
Okay.
Okay, here. Circles right here.
Yeah.
Oh! Hallway, Chris.
Hallway.
This hallway I'm in. When I'm in, he just went to the right.
Oh, I went through it left. Fuck me.
Adam,
Might be
can you
flanking us
come?
to the door we came in.
Hold on.
Oh, I got him. I broke his shield.
Oh, nice.
I hit him with a Simtex.
Hold on.
I can smoke it if you want.
Nope.
Watch those
Nope.
steps. Someone might be coming down.
I got the back door covered.
You guys are right by a door, by the way.
I know. That's why I'm
Yeah.
watching the door. You just watch
Yeah,
it for Adam.
watching the steps.
Watch the hallway. I'll get the door. I hear him moving around, so just get ready.
It's a group of three. It's a group of three.
No, it's not with the motherfucking shotgun.
That shotgun was insane. You killed
Oh
all
my
of them.
God, Chris. Final circle. They know we're in here.
Oh, I'm down again. Fuck me. The grenade got me.
I got him. I got him. Just get ready to go out.
Come on out. I got you covered.
Is it just keep coming?
They're above us. They're above us.
Oh fuck! I'm down. I need help.
Okay, Chris.
Ow.
Okay, Chris.
They're all in the roof.
Adam, ready?
They're all in the building to the left. Adam, turn around the left. The left. The other building. See the red dots? They're up here.
All right, Roger.
They're up
Roger.
here, right? Yep. Oh fucking shit!
Hold on. I got self revive.
Oh fuck! I'm down. It's just pushing into the end. Go, leave me, fight, leave me fight, leave me and fight, leave me and fight.
Chris.
Leave me and fight, this is the last guys, there's 4 guys left.
It's up to Chris. I'm
Or
down.
maybe 1 guy left.